how to design jewelry posts in Canva. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create and design some jewelry posts into your Canva tool. The process is very easy. So you are going basically to create some designs that you are going to post on social media, and these are going to attract people, or let's say jewelry collectors or buyers, to your store and make them buy the thing. So what we're going to do is to head over to canva.com, sign in for an account, and then we are going to click on the search bar at the top, and we are going to get here a little bit of ideas, like type in jewelry, like that, and then we are going to see the different, let's say here, templates. So you can get a clear idea on how you are going to set up here the jewelry. You can get here a little idea from here and there, or you can go ahead and head over Canva. Then you are going to click on custom size. Then you are going to set up the width and the height of your, as you can see, design. Or you can go ahead and click on more. Then you are going to set up the platform name like Instagram. So we are going to see here we have Instagram post, square, we have video, picture, reel, and etc. So I'm going to create a Instagram story, and then we are going to post it. Here we are going to click on design, and then we're going to type in on element, jewelry, for example, jewelry, like that, and we are going to see all the things that we have. So we can get here some photos, or we can get some, let's say here, maybe something like we need here a let's say for example a photo frame, just like that. So we are going to make it just like this, and then I'm going to modify the colors of it. For example, choose something like this, and here also something like that. I'm going to add some elements, like here we have typed in jewelry, so I'm going to type in jewelry. I'm going to get a photo. You can insert your own photo. I'm not going to recommend for you to set up here another photo, but it is going to be up for you. So for the elements, I'm going to type in here gold, for example, and then we're going to see some photos that we can add, or we can add some graphics. So make sure that you're going to have here some graphics added. I'm going to put those in here. So I'm going to rotate them or flip them horizontally, and then we are going to flip this vertically, just like that. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller for this also, just like that. Boom. Then we are going to maybe put for here a background, a golden background, or some backgrounds, as you can see. But here what I'm going to do is to type in gold, and we're going to see some photos. Maybe we're going to get the perfect background, just like that. So I'm going to put it here, as you can see. I'm going to put the position for the back, like that, this and that. Boom. And here we have it. So I don't know, here it is going to be just like that. So I'm going to make it like that. So you can go ahead and put some text in here, add a heading, for example, new arrival, just like that, and put it in here, for example, like that. And then you are going to put something right there, as the color should be golden, just like this. And also for the font, you should put something maybe more, let's say, classy. So I don't know here. So you can go ahead and put the name of it, and then you are going to download it as a PNG and post it as a let's say here reel. Basically, that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.